Oh, Jiminy Christmas, that's a huge B. No, I don't think I want to start it. Here's your door panels. You have your headlights. How much are these things going to be worth? If I get stung, we're really going to be in some trouble here. Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. Guess where I am? Yep, it's been probably 3, maybe even longer, 3 or 4 weeks since I have been to IAA, so I'm expecting lots of new inventory to peruse. There's a good word. You know what? We could do that. We should make today use a big word day. It won't last very long, and I probably don't have a whole lot of big words in my vocabulary, but we're going to try, all right? We're going to do some investigatory work here, and we're going to see what kind of vehicles IAA has that I might be interested in, and perhaps deliciously, something you might be interested in is turning into Makeup Word Day. That sounds like a lot more fun to me. So with that being said, let's go ahead and peruse this huge lot. Lotissimus. Yes, that's what we're going to call it, the Lotissimus. Under a cloudless sky, yeah, we're going to check out this Ford F150. Why? I don't know. Because it's got scoops on the hood. I think this is going to be kind of a fun one. They're not real scoops. Okay, there's nothing back here to inlet any air, but we're going to do our investigatory work and just see what kind of a vehicle this is. I don't know if you're tired of the made-up words. Let me know. I'm just having so much funnelopathy that we're just going to stick with it, maybe for this one video only. I don't know. Anyway, it's the Stepside. I think it's really, really cool. You get the little steps right here. You get the bulges kind of right here. We do have a lot of water and a lot of mud. We had some humongous storms come through here early this morning, just after midnight. So this is a 2001 F-150 with the collision type, but it had me at scoops. It really did. It's got great tires on it. This is nice. You get the different backside. Okay, so these are different lights. I think this is cool. I really, really do. Another Valera HT over here. Here's the damage. I think they just hit something like a curb really, really hard. I did that once in an old Mercedes that belonged to my dad, and I blew 2 tires. I pulled into the Brahms and jumped a curb. Thought I was styling, and then had to call a tow truck because I blew 2 tires and the car only had 1 spare. Anyway, this would be a super easy fix. Maybe there's something special under here. I don't know. We're just going to find out. Ooh, we have the lariat seats. Okay, this is nice. Ooh, okay, we have the doors that you get to open right here for the little kiddos, should you need that, or your pets. Lola and Benzo would be very welcome back there. Let's see if we can make entrance to the cabin of the truck. The lightage is on, so let's see if we have any sparkage at the engine. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah, she runs like a champ. 195,000 miles right there. We do have the service engine soon light. Okay, and we have the door ajar because the door is ajar. Well, you know what? I like it. You get your book and everything right there. This does not, oh, there you go. Stay closed. What do you think's on the radio? 106.1.
Peer pressure. Oh.
There you go. I think that's actually country. Oh, well, here you go. There's your sticker from the previous owner. Okay. I can't really put the car in, well, I can if I don't move it. I guess I can do that. We'll just see. Here we go. Yeah, it goes into reverse. It does go into drive. I can't move it because I got that tire and the beat up wheel, but that's okay. You have these nice little wood touches. It's, you know, it's a pickup, so I'm not expecting a whole lot, especially from this era. Okay, the door does want to scream at me. I don't like that sound. I don't like that sound at all. Okay. That one's fine. But this door was just exacerbated by the thought of having to go up and down. He is protesting. He doth protest. Okay. Well, I'm liking it so far. I really am. What do you think's under the hood? Anything special? Or is it just stock? Is it just the hood that the previous owner put on to make it look fast? This old Triton V8 sounds good. There's a little bit of wear right here and in through here. All right, I bet there's a K&N filter. You think? Nope. Oh, we have some nice red. Okay. That's that. Oh my. Well, no wonder it didn't really want to start for me. Yeah, okay. So the red coils add a little pop of color right there. The car runs, or the vehicle runs great. Coolant should probably be replaced. I mean, that's been there for a long, long time. Your brake fluid, power steering fluid right there. You can see it kind of moving. I would change all the fluids on this, and you can see more. Yeah, the coils right there. So this is the, what is this? The 4.6 or the 5.4? You know, I'm in different territory here. This is the, well, like it says right there. Okay, so 5.4. So this will pull. Look how thick the belt is right there. I like this. Oh my. Okay. Seems like the gap does kind of increase as this. I mean, this is aftermarket, of course. Absolutely. But I like it. I think it's kind of cool. I would drive this in a heartbeat. Look at this. Okay, if the air conditioner works, I'm going to write it down. I really am. Oh, we got four-wheel drive too. Look at that. Okay, so let's go cool, panel, AC. Put it on high. Yep. Yep. Oil was changed, and the oil is due at 195,918. We're at 195,363. Okay, so 600 miles to get your oil changed, and you'll be right back on schedule. This is cold. All right. Well, what do you think about the old Stepside? I like it. This has been whoever owned it cleaned it out. I mean, they hit a curb. And it's been here for a while because this is like really, really dusty in here. I'm letting the battery charge. We're going to write the number down and see how she does at auction. Okay, because I definitely need a tow vehicle. Oh, what do I say? You know, Mikey likes. Ooh, burn, baby, burn. Look at that. Oh, yeah, she's very odoriferous. Ha! Good word! What was this? Oh, this was a Nissan. Yeah, yikes. Sorry to see that. Okay, all kinds of cars here. How about a Beamer 5 Series? As you can see, I'm walking very trepidatiously. Is that even a word? I think it is. Because there's so much mud here. This is the BMW that nobody really wants anymore. And I don't know why. I love them. This is the 528, so it's got the little smaller engine, straight 6. What's the inside like? See, the insides are so nice. They really are. And there's lights. And it's been bedazzled. Look at that. Okay. Well, is she going to start? This is a 2010 BMW. It is a collision type loss. They have a lot of the previous owner's parts in there. Okay, we have a little sack of keys. Uh-oh, we got, ooh. How's water getting in here like this? Look at that. Look at all of this. It is, no, I don't think I want to start it. I think that might damage it. What's going on back here? So water must be getting in through, yeah, that's a good 2 inches of water right there. And you know what's underneath there? All kinds of wires and electrical connections. So this, yeah, I'm gonna put the keys right here, and we're just gonna step away because water is entering the cabin, I guess through the damaged side. I can't even open the hood. See, because of this, I can't open the hood. So my guess is that something down through here is clogged and it's letting water back up through the interior. What about this side? Oh, see water coming out the bottom of the door. Is this wet? Yep, that's wet too. Okay, well, I'm sorry. If you weren't totally soaked, we could try to give you a start. The damage, I think, is superficial. You need a hood, a bumper, and a fender, and a headlight. These are all over the place because people, the engines, they don't get them, what is it, pecan cleaned, the intakes. And you have some issues with them. I've seen some in the junkyards because of transmission problems too, but this has good tires. Kumo. Oh, this was a nice car back in the day, but we have to continue because I'm not going to damage a car just for a video. I'm sorry, I just can't do that. And another burn baby burn. Woo! What was that? Well, she used to be a Mercedes. Something happened, and she is now just toasty, toasty, toasty. Look, the wires from the belt, and yeah, this is sad to see. All right, it's a little C-Class Mercedes. This was a gorgeous, gorgeous car. 2020 Volvo S90 that has had a little bump in the front. It's going to be fun to try to get into because the handles have been removed here. The side mirror has been removed here. But I mean, just the shape of the car, that's gorgeous. I am becoming a Volvo fan. If you haven't checked out my Volvo, yeah, the old 850. Oh, gee, many Christmas. That's a huge B. Oh, no. Oh, no. No, 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 no. What the hell? Get away from me. If I get stung, we're really going to be in some trouble here. Okay. Anyway, the bee is protecting its home, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, here's your damage. She bumped into something. Maybe the lights are in the trunk. I don't know. Okay, so I've managed to work my way inside this door. Look at this silver though. And the back side, this is the T6 all-wheel drive. I love this. The sharp edges. Oh, this was a gorgeous car. Okay, so I did manage to open it up a little bit. Here you get a lot of pieces. Look how much room you get back here in the back. And you get the fancy shades, this nice wood. This was beautiful. So I reached up through there and got the cable for this door, and I got it opened, okay? You pull this little bit right here, and it releases the door. Look at this. Oh, how comfortable are those seats gonna be? And I think there's power. So if I go over here, and I grab this, and I pull this little pin, there we go. Open, there we go, stay. Oh, this is a nice interior. Wow, okay. Well, you have even, look at your climate right there for the backseat passengers. Oh, let's get in and see what she's like. Why would you remove this side when the damage is on the front? Maybe this is a different door? It could be. Maybe this was more extensive. See how this is kind of beat up right here and here? So maybe the accident had a little more to it, and they've already started replacing body panels, and then they gave up on the project. Maybe so. Yeah, that door opens fine. Oh, I love this. Look, CPR, 9 of 21. So she's had CPR given to her. Oh, this is a nice dash. Okay, foot on the brake, twist to start. Okay, we're loading all kinds of things here. Hood open, do not drive. Something does seem to be rubbing up there. This is cool. It's taking a minute to try to catch on. You got CNN here on the radio. Look at you. Ooh. You get an additional key. This is a nice little cubby hole. This seat is incredible. I don't like what's rubbing right there, but look at the, oh. 60 miles of range. Wow. This doesn't seem to be working at all, so I can't open or close that. Wait, what is this? Oh, here we go. There we go. Yeah, let's close that to protect the car from the sun. I can't open. If that's that B again, we're going to have some words. So, well, we're looking for vacuum here. I think that's an air pump that's trying to pump. Maybe this is an air suspension, but the engine sounds good. I think the air pump has some issues right back there. If I could open, here we go. Let's open this and see what kind of parts we get in the back. Do we have any headlights? We do. Here's your door panels. You have your headlights. How much are these things going to be worth? Whoa. Look at that. Full LED active high beam. These are gorgeous. You have your side mirrors. There's one door panel. There's the other one. So the parts you need to fix, you might have to get new. Oh, so yeah. See, these are crunched. So you will need headlights. That just got very expensive. This is beautiful right there. We'll let the door close itself. Here we go. Nice. Well, I love this. I just hadn't seen the newer S90s. There's your speakers, the front part of the bumper, undercarriage parts. Hope this isn't damaging the seats. They do protect the seats when they can. So apparently somebody got in here and was really trying to make things fancy. I love this though. Look how nice this is. We'll turn it off. There we go. Yeah. But wow. This is a really nice place to be. And the seat is unbelievably comfortable. But someone gave this back for a reason. They started to work on it and then they decided, nope, something is bad. And the money just didn't make sense. So they gave it to the auction. So, which means if you're good with stuff, if you can source parts very inexpensively, you still might be able to put this together and be okay and not upside down, but it's just going to take a lot of work. So with that being said, Volvo, sorry, I'm going to have to leave you here for another buyer. Well, I do like the inside as long as you don't have to step outside, but these seats, whoa, they just move and it just fits so well. And that's one of the things that Volvo does. Their seats have always been so very comfortable. And this is a big car. Look out over the hood and just the dash, which is leather, by the way. Yeah, this is gorgeous. Let me know what you think about these cars. I know we really only did 2. We had some fun with some made-up words for the first one. I don't know. I just like to change things up a little bit. But do leave a comment. Let me know what you think about these walk-around videos. I do have to give a big shout-out to the ladies up front at IAA. They are so friendly. And there's 2 that have been here since I've been doing this. And they are just amazing. Their name starts with M. So I have M&M up front. And they just give me a hard time. And I love it. And they seem happy when I show up. So that's good to know. I'm glad when you show up too. So thank you for watching these crazy videos. Let me know what you think about these cars. Leave a comment, like, share. Please subscribe if you haven't. And we'll see you again very, very soon because I have a lot of vehicles to get to today. All right. Bye-bye.